Before ketchup ever reaches your table, its journey begins here in one of the most advanced food factories in the world. Every truck entering this facility carries thousands of perfectly ripened tomatoes destined for transformation. Each tomato is carefully prepared for its first step inside the processing chain. These tomatoes are still fresh, full of natural color and sweetness. Advanced sensors instantly detect even the smallest imperfections. Only the best tomatoes move forward in the production line. Powerful water jets remove every trace of dust and field residue. Tomatoes are thoroughly washed. High-speed air dryers ensure complete cleanliness before processing begins. Human experts double-check quality at every stage. Now the transformation begins as tomatoes are broken down into raw pulp. Fresh tomato juice begins its journey through purification systems. Advanced filtration removes seeds and unwanted solids. The puree is now ready for controlled cooking and flavor development. Perfect balance of ingredients creates the signature ketchup taste. Slow mixing transforms puree into rich ketchup. Heat slowly transforms the texture into perfect consistency. Every batch is tested for perfect thickness and taste. The reading is stable at 5,200 centipoise.
Excellent. Quality testing ensures perfection.
The ketchup is cooled and stabilized before packaging. Large storage systems hold freshly made ketchup safely. Every bottle is sterilized before filling begins. Precision robotics prepare each bottle for filling. The transformation becomes visible as ketchup fills every bottle. Each bottle is sealed to preserve freshness and taste. Final branding gives each bottle its identity. Labels are applied automatically. Once labeled, every bottle continues its journey through a perfectly synchronized production line. Advanced vision systems instantly detect even the smallest imperfections. Only perfect bottles make it to the final packaging stage. Bottles are grouped and sealed for safe transport. Automated systems prepare packaging boxes in seconds. Each box is filled with precision and speed. Every box is securely sealed for global distribution. Each package is tracked for global logistics control. The finished product now enters large-scale storage. Heavy-duty logistics ensure smooth global distribution. Robots optimize every inch of storage space. Thousands of ketchup bottles are ready for shipment worldwide. Containers prepare for international transport. Every shipment is sealed for safety and quality. Even at night, distribution never stops. From factory to the world, ketchup begins its final journey. At the end of the journey, ketchup meets food. Every drop is engineered for perfect flow. Powered by science and precision.